Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Fifine Dynamic USB/XLR microphone, a professional-grade microphone designed for podcasters, streamers, gamers, and content creators who want broadcast-quality audio without spending hundreds of dollars. This microphone is built for creators who want flexibility and room to grow. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, hosting a podcast, streaming on Twitch, joining online meetings, or chatting with teammates during long gaming sessions, the K688 positions itself as an all-in-one solution that delivers clean, professional sound while remaining easy to use for beginners. If you want to grab this microphone for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Fifine K688 immediately gives off a premium impression. The all-metal construction feels sturdy and durable, giving it the weight and quality you'd normally expect from microphones at a much higher price point. The matte black finish gives it a clean, professional appearance that fits naturally into almost any streaming or recording setup. Whether it's mounted on your desk or attached to a boom arm, it looks like equipment built for serious content creation. One of the first things you'll notice is the built-in yoke mount. Instead of needing additional accessories right away, the microphone is ready to position exactly where you want it, making setup quick and convenient. Now let's talk about the feature that makes the K688 stand out the most: its dual connectivity. The microphone supports both USB and XLR connections, allowing you to start with simple plug-and-play recording and later upgrade to a professional audio interface without replacing your microphone. For beginners, the USB connection makes setup incredibly easy. Just plug it into your computer and you're ready to start recording, streaming, or gaming within minutes. As your content creation setup grows, switching to XLR gives you access to mixers, audio interfaces, and more advanced recording equipment while continuing to use the same microphone. That flexibility makes the K688 a smart long-term investment. When it comes to audio quality, the K688 delivers impressive performance. As a dynamic microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern, it's designed to focus primarily on your voice while reducing unwanted background noise. This becomes especially useful if you have mechanical keyboards, computer fans, air conditioners, or other sounds in your recording environment. Instead of capturing every noise in the room, the microphone helps keep the attention on your voice, creating cleaner and more professional recordings. Build quality continues to impress throughout the entire design. Every adjustment feels smooth and secure, and the microphone maintains its position once you've found the angle you want. That attention to detail helps create a product that feels dependable during everyday use. Compatibility is another strong point. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or connecting it to professional audio equipment through XLR. When it comes to value, the Fifine K688 sits in an extremely competitive position. It combines USB and XLR connectivity, professional dynamic microphone performance, real-time monitoring, onboard controls, and premium construction into one affordable package. Many microphones offering similar flexibility often cost significantly more, making the K688 one of the strongest values in its category. Instead of forcing users to choose between beginner-friendly simplicity and professional upgrade potential, it successfully delivers both. Over time, reliable audio quality, durable construction, and long-term flexibility become far more valuable than flashy features that rarely get used. The K688 focuses on those fundamentals, creating a microphone that continues performing well as your content creation needs evolve. Overall, the Fifine Amplitank K688 dynamic USB/XLR microphone is a thoughtfully designed microphone that brings together professional sound quality, flexible connectivity, and premium build quality into one complete package. If you're looking for a microphone that delivers clean vocal performance today while giving you plenty of room to grow your setup in the future, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.